Hi, I'm going to show you this exploding box. It's my haunted house. As you can see, the outsides have got these windows, etc. Got a nice tree here, and Lucy Spider there. An old broken gate in front of the windows and a black cat with some bling for his eyes. Pumpkins, front of the door, and a witch. The top is a graveyard with some tombstones and an old fence. This was cut out from the Haunted House cricket cartridge, and inside I've used from the Mini Monsters. So this is the inside. I've left spaces for you to put your own photographs and journaling inside. This would make a lovely gift to give to somebody. As you can see, I've got the Mini Monsters there. With his three eyes. I just had fun choosing which monsters I like the look of. In the background here, I don't know if you can actually see there, it's embossed. I've just used different embossing folders throughout, just whatever took my fancy really, just to give it some texture. So, when you pull it up, each section you've got two areas that you can put photographs on. I'm just going to take one at a time, freeze, to show you. So this one's got the monster paper on it and another spider, and that side is embossed diamond pattern, and it says treat there. This one has got the black cat and Halloween embossing on there with a nice epoxy and a bit of ribbon. We've just done that one, sorry. This one's got a ghost. So cute. Pop your little photograph in there. And my spider again on that one. I think I covered all of those. So that's that layer. Then the last layer, I'll just hold this up so that you can see before I show you in detail. I've put the same on opposites, as you can see. I just did that for ease because it appealed to me. So we've got some sweets here for trick-or-treating on some sweet paper. We've got a nice spider's web and some brads. A ghost is going trick-or-treating with some nice paper behind. The sweet paper again, I like that paper. Some more pumpkins, some more brads, and the last one, pop your journal in under there.